Alright. So I don't even know what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna try to document myself getting my S14 ready to go drifting, doing a 1J swap. And yeah, I got a new hood, new front bumper, under panel kit, some stuff. I'm gonna go through all the parts, but it's kind of just an intro, first YouTube video, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try my best, and hopefully it's entertaining. So I'll go ahead and walk you through some of the parts and kind of show the progress as I get the car to get ready, and then hopefully go drifting, because that's the whole goal.
Yappa, 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 yappa. Shut it, place.
Alright, so what did we do?
Okay, well, come with me. I'll show them. Alright, so here. We just put the hot side on. We're mocking it up because I'm using this UpFab kit that flips it from the OEM manifold. Fitment is a little weird. My cameraman, I don't know what he's aiming at, but you can show them the OEM manifold that's being utilized.
Oh my god, bro.
PSR,
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
turbo, and yeah, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to take off all the front. We're gonna take off the crank and the tensioner so we can get to this cam gear pulley. Over here we have we're switching to HCAS belt, getting rid of the Tomei. Honestly, what are you aiming at?
I don't know.
Honestly, just because this is gonna match this a little bit better, and I don't have a cam gear cover, as you can see, so I went with the clear cam gear cover. So this will be obviously clear once I get it. And then, okay, so as you can see, the interior is demolished right now. So this will be on the agenda to fix after I pulled the fuse box from the engine bay in, and this is after, but first we're gonna do the cam pulley. So we're gonna do that, and after that I got this Origin Type 2 hood, some Origin goodies. Got this from Rival Auto Works. This Origin new Driftline bumper. Pretty spicy. I like this. I'm excited to mock it all up. Really like that. That just came today. And then I got the under panel kit for the side skirts, which I'm just going to use my old D-Max side skirts. And then we have an extra set of Z32s, PBM, same. I have single caliber right now. So I'm gonna do dual caliber. I had an inline hydro, but switching from the inline hydro to standalone. There's some other shit we have to do, but we're just gonna get to work on this. So we're gonna hit a little time lapse right now and knock that out. So. Yeah.
Yo. Let's use a full battery. Like hold it sturdy so it's like fully not vibrating, like it's going.
Dude, I don't think I can do that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Okay,
Okay, guys, we fucking didn't do shit. I'm just kidding. Cameraman, can we get the fucking light over here? Okay, guys, we got this fucking sick ass purple thing on here. Whoa, the colors look crazy on here. But we clearly didn't get the belt on because we couldn't get this pulley off with my fucking giant ass.
Dude, how is the fart still coming out of my pants?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Oh,
We have the red lithium battery.
Milwaukee, man. What gives?
Couldn't get that off.
12 amp hour, $300 battery. For what?
I don't think you're focusing very well, bro. I think you need to give me the camera. Hold on, nephew.
Guys, I drive my F-250 all the way to Home Depot to buy this $300 battery. And the only thing it's good for is my Milwaukee fuel fan.
Can we show that? Where's the fan? Oh, yeah. This is what it's powering. Oh. Okay, hold on, let me get some of
Just
that.
airing out my farts.
Here. Show them the... But, yeah, as you can see, it's fucking dark out here, and all we got done was about fucking nothing. Tell you that.
Yeah, we took off some bolts and put them back.
You heard it here first. We took on some bolts and we put them back, and now we have a fucking purple exhaust cam. When the fucking other one was probably totally fine. And I don't know why the purple looks like that on camera, but that looks crazy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But, oh wait, hold on. This is the old one on the mulch. We should probably keep this belt somewhere safe. I think this goes like on there like that. Yeah,
I think they go in the motor.
that's good.
That thing be going in the motor.
We got more Milwaukee right here. But yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote for right now.
Wait,
So,
hold on.
we about to fart. Well, I think that's where we're signing off today.